In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a hyperlink in PowerPoint 2016. Whether you've added a link to direct your audience to additional information or mistakenly attached one, knowing how to remove it is essential for keeping your presentation clean and professional. To begin, let's open PowerPoint on your computer. This might seem like an obvious starting point, but it's always good to ensure that the application is fully loaded and ready to go. Once PowerPoint is open, navigate to the presentation file you're working on. You can find it by clicking on File and then Open, or simply access it from your recent documents if you've been working on it lately. Now that you have your presentation open, the next step is to locate the text that has the hyperlink. Scroll through your slides to find the exact spot where the text is featured. Hyperlinks are typically underlined and might have a different color, helping them stand out from regular text. Once you've found the hyperlinked text, using your mouse or trackpad, click and drag to highlight it. Be sure that every character of the hyperlink is selected so you won't have any remaining link elements later. With the text highlighted, you need to bring up the context menu to proceed with the removal of the hyperlink. To do this, simply right-click on the highlighted text. Depending on your computer settings, this can be done with a 2-finger tap on a touchpad or using the right-click button on your mouse. When you perform the right-click, a menu will pop up giving you several options. Within this menu, you'll see an option that says Remove Link. Click on it. This action will strip away the hyperlink from your text while leaving the text itself intact. You won't lose any content. It will simply no longer link to any external URL or web page. This is extremely useful if you prefer to keep certain aspects of your presentation static, or want to ensure every click leads only to intentional destinations. And there you have it, a clean slide with important content where you want it, but without any unwanted distractions or links. Removing hyperlinks is a simple process, but one that's integral to crafting a focused, effective PowerPoint presentation. Remember, whether refining a presentation for business, education, or personal use, these small adjustments can make a world of difference in how your work is received. Thank you for following along with today's guide, and happy presenting.